Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vira. In this video, I want to show you how to power off on Realme Note 60. Okay guys, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. So guys, I want to turn off this phone. The classical way is to push long on the power button. Yep, you can see this method doesn't work. And the right way to turn off this phone is to push and hold volume up and power button together like this. You will see that the power off menu appears, and here you can power off your phone very easy. But I wanna tell you how to power off your phone with classical way is to push long on the power button. You must do settings before it. Open your settings menu and then go to system menu, click it. Next, open press and hold power button, click it. Yep, in this option you tap on power menu, tap on this. Now you can power off your phone with the classical way is to push long on the power button like this. Yep, you can power off like this. Yep, successfully. Next, if you want to power off your phone, you can push long on your power button too, and you can wait a minute. Your phone has been turned on. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.